This video provides some direction on how to create a blog post. And this is the homepage of the Placer Sustain website. I'm going to go down here to become an author. This panel contains most of the creating content type activities you can do on the website. It includes creating a community event, a forum post, a blog post, job listing, volunteer opportunity, or a business listing. And in order to do any of that, you have to be a registered, have created an account on the website, but it can be a free account. Some of these things you can only do if you're a dues-paying member, but free account registered members can create an event, a forum post, and a blog post. So let's click on blog post here, and we should go to the generic new blog post content page. And these steps are basic to almost any content in Placer Sustain's website. But you enter a title at the top. So let's just say this is a test blog post title. And then here, and this is something that's so easy to do, you can go to anywhere on the web or a document. I'm going to go off to a different desktop and just pull some content from a Word document. And I'm just going to copy that in and paste it here. And now we have content. It's so easy to post information in blogs that are, say, from emails you've gotten or a website that you have found something that's interesting. This here is a really full editor. It allows you to make the content bold or italicize it. You just select text and hit italic. Now it's italicized. You can underline. This will align the text left, center, or right. This creates a hyperlink so that you can link it to some internet site, create a table, and so on. There are a lot of indent. There are a lot of features in this editor that make it easy to do this. This is called a what you see is what you get editor, as opposed to if you want to enter it in raw text HTML formatting tags, then you can click on the text editor here and then do it that way if you're a little more sophisticated on how to do web content. So we'll go back to visual. This is the text. Let's just do that. Now, in almost every content type, we have categories. The categories allow you to select something that's close to the topic that you're writing about. So by doing that, by selecting a content category, you make it easier for people to find your content because they can go to the listing of all blogs on the site, just click on that category, and up comes all the things that have been published in that category. So it helps viewers find your content. So here, just for now, I'm going to select Living Green. And this is tags. Now, what tags do is it allows you to enter something that you think is descriptive of the particular content you published. And people can also search by tags. So it's kind of a free-form way for an author to create categories. These categories are created by us at the website. Here you can essentially create categories for yourself in the form of tags. So I'm going to put down good weather as a tag and then just add that. Now down here you see good weather. Now when this is posted, you click on good weather. Anyone who else has used that tag, it will go to their post as well. These other things over here are only things that an administrator sees. Same here. So basically the simple stuff you need is put in your content, edit it however you wish, select a category, create a tag if you want. Now up here is the publishing fields. And you can either save a draft or preview what you've done. For most users on the website, you don't have the authority to go ahead and publish. You submit it for review and the content is moderated. That means it's reviewed by somebody else and approved for publication. Here, because I'm logged in as an administrator, it says publish. On yours, it would say submit for review. You can also here select whether it's pending review or draft. In this case, okay, let's say draft. Public, you can make it public, you can make it private, only selected users or password protected. These are various things you can do. Most often it'll just be public. And here you can schedule when it's published or publish it immediately. So if you put a future date and time, it will publish at that date and time. Okay, then we would click on publish, and as I said, for most of you it'll be submit for review. I'll click publish on this. Now once it's published, then I can go up here and preview. And that's what it looks like. And you can see here that this is the title, this is the text that you did. This tells you who published it, the date, and what category it's in. If I clicked on that category, I would go to other blogs that are posted in that category. So there you have the basics on how to publish a blog.